Ladies and gentlemen, the Arctic is home to some of the world's most fragile ecosystems. Climate change is already having an impact. We know that the Arctic is warming at almost twice the global average rate. What will this mean for the people who live here, for global weather systems, for our oceans? Research, science, and innovation have a key role to play in answering these questions. And that is why the European Union is investing heavily in Arctic research and innovation. Since 2014, our Horizon 2020 programme has spent more than €100 million on more than 45 Arctic projects. And our investment has paid off. Thanks to the hard work of hundreds of scientists, we now know more than ever before on weather and climate patterns, on the melting of permafrost, on how those changes affect those who live in the region and those of us who live below the Arctic Circle. But there is still a lot for us to learn. The European Union is committed. We are even stepping up investment in Arctic research and innovation. We will work closely with Finland and Germany to co-host the second Arctic Science Ministerial in Berlin next year. We will also invest more than €20 million a year to focus, for example, on tipping points, Arctic observations, or the changes in biodiversity. And we will do this in continued partnership with our friends all around the world, because we know that the challenges that we face in the Arctic are too big for any one state or region to tackle alone. The EU-PolarNet project is a great example of such cooperation. The network has successfully brought together polar researchers across the European Union, and it has established links with scientists and networks in the US, Canada, Russia, and elsewhere. The European Union is also supporting the development of Arctic standards for technologies and services. We are carrying out research into sustainable opportunities. And thanks to this strategy, we now have more relevant research results than ever before. Results that translate into sustainable development in and around the Arctic for the benefit of the people who call the Arctic their home. Thank you.